हेलो हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, फिर से हम मिल चुके हैं नीट के क्वेश्चन को डिस्कस करते हुए। अब इस बार मैं आपको जैसे बता रहा था कि दिस ईयर इन 2025 देयर हैव बीन 11 क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम द टॉपिक ह्यूमन फिजियोलॉजी। नाउ वी विल बी सीइंग अ मिक्स्ड क्वेश्चन। इस क्वेश्चन में एक्चुअली चार पांच चैप्टर को मिक्स कर दिया गया है, नेमली रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम, सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम, एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम और लोकोमोशन वाले चैप्टर को मिक्स करके डिजीजेस के ऊपर क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है। तो कुछ बहुत कॉमन डिजीजेज है इन चैप्टर्स में, वो मैं आपको डिस्कस करता हूँ। द फर्स्ट डिजीज इज ऑफ रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम. इट इज कॉल्ड एम्फाइसीमा. In this disease, the alveolar walls gets damaged due to the smoking. Excessive smoking damages the alveolar walls. It causes chest pain. तो पहला मैंने लिखा है एम्फाइसीमा, ये एनसीईआरटी के सारे इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स हैं। इसका एक स्नैपशॉट ले लीजिए आप, ताकि आप मान लो अगर रिपीट करना चाहें और पढ़ना चाहें तो सारी इंफॉर्मेशन एनसीईआरटी की यहाँ पर दे रखी है। So now 2-3 questions there occurs. Number one, alveolar walls are damaged. Number two, due to smoking, the surface area of the lungs gets lowered. Due to this, there is breathing difficulties occur. Now this is called emphysema. इसके ट्रीटमेंट में हम एक ड्रग यूज करते हैं जिसको कहते हैं अल्फा 1 एंटीट्रिप्सिन। ये एम्स का क्वेश्चन है, मार्क आउट करके रख लेना। Now the second question, I mean the second disease that I have asked was from the chapter circulation, and this is called angina pectoris. This is also known as burning chest. Now what happens, due to lower blood supply to the heart muscle, there occurs a pain in the heart. The pain is felt in the chest. This is called angina pectoris. Number third disease is from the chapter excretion. You know, in kidneys there occurs the nephron, and the cup-like structure of the nephron is called glomerulus. Now when infection occurs in this glomerulus, it is called glomerulonephritis. The disease is called glomerulonephritis. So this is one of the disease from excretory system. Now there comes the locomotory system. Now in this, a disease is called tetany. You know, sometimes we feel a sudden spasm in our muscles. Contractions that are up from nowhere, they occur simultaneously on their own. This is due to low calcium ions in the blood or in the body fluid. Now these are the 4 diseases that they have asked. Now I am going to read the question. Now this is a match the following type of question, and they have asked the correct matching sequence in the options. Now for emphysema, I have already told you, damaged alveolar walls and decreased respiratory surface. Then angina pectoris, burning sensation in the chest due to muscle, due to blood reaching the heart muscle in deficient quantity. Number C is glomerulonephritis, inflammation of glomeruli of kidney. Number D is tetany, spasm due to low calcium ion concentration in body fluid. So this was one question. Again I am going to repeat, there have been 11 questions from human physiology, including the reproductive system and reproductive health. Stay tuned for all the content and all the questions. Stay motivated.